Figured I'd start the video with the beautiful sight, a nice wood heater burning in my workshop. I'm out here today waxing frames and building bottom boards. Putting the bottom boards on top of the wood heater via a stick so that they heat up. The glue will cure faster. Supposed to use the glue in, I don't know, 50 degrees or higher, and when I came out to the shop it was 20 degrees. It is currently 65 degrees in the workshop. But this, my friends, is supposedly an extra heavy waxed frame, or foundation I should say. This is one I just got through doing. As you can tell, that's what I call an extra heavy coat of wax. I've even filled some of the cells completely up. The bees will pull that extra out and reuse it. Bees are masters of reusing their supplies. But just show you the box they came out of. Extra heavy. I do not call that extra heavy. I have since decided I'm going to buy unwaxed foundations and wax them myself. Number one, because I know what's in my wax, because I do not treat, so there's nothing that I have put in there to contaminate the wax. I know there's going to be contaminants in it from picking up whatever out there, but there's going to be a massive difference. When they get these frames and they wax them, you do not know what's in that wax. Bob Beanie has done a couple of presentations that I've been lucky enough to be present for, talking about all the toxic interactions from all the different mite treatments that's set up in the wax, and then you wonder why your brood is dying. You've got brood diseases. I wished he would hurry up and put that out so people could see it. But that's the main reason I do not want to buy waxed foundation. And you don't get your monies, because there's a big difference in the price of non-waxed and heavy waxed. And you can barely tell, looking at that right there, you can barely tell there's any wax at all on it. You can see a little bit there where they goofed, a little bit right there where they goofed and got a little extra in it, some right there in the corner. But that's not extra heavy wax. I did not get my money's worth for this. Going back to what I was saying, got the little paintbrush, the 3/8 inch nap roller. So what you do is you roll it out, and then you will go back with your paintbrush. I didn't get enough right there, I'll have to fix that. But I go back with that little 1.5 inch paintbrush, I think it is, and go back around into the corners where you can't really get with the roller. I will guarantee you, you put these two frames in a hive next to each other, they will draw this one out and they'll leave this one alone. Got one over here that I've re-waxed from last year that I did not put any wax on. You can see they just stopped drawing. And that's when you put nothing but those wink heavy waxed foundations in there. They haphazardly draw them. You see all the time in the groups people griping and complaining because they can't get plastic foundation drawn out. Right there's how you get it drawn out. This is how you have problems. The other great thing about plastic foundation for you new folks is that if you have wax moth damage, all you do is just take your hive tool, scrape it off, scrape all that wax off, get you a wire brush, scrape it, knock all of the debris off of it, and re-wax again. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. You guys enjoy. 6 degrees is not going to be fun tonight. Like, share, and subscribe.